Hi, this is Kenneth with Schnubs.com. Are you looking to refinish your kitchen? Well, we have the perfect DIY kit just for you. You could go to your local hardware store and pick up some primer and some latex paint, but those aren't going to go very well over this wood. What we have is a premium product that is designed to go over wood, metal, plastic. It even goes on fabric. It's flexible, water resistant, is an enamel smooth, very hard and durable product. And you're just not going to find that anywhere else in any of your hardware stores. So the reason latex paint doesn't work very well is most cabinet doors are a lacquer or urethane, and that just repels any water-based latex paint. So you're going to have cracks, you're going to have peels, and you're not going to be satisfied at all. But we guarantee that you'll be satisfied with our Schnubs product. And one thing I love, like I said, it's water resistant, but I'm just going to show you. So I can pour this water into this door, and we'll let it sit there for a while, and you can see it just beads up. Versus a latex paint, that's going to start to smear and really just start to wear off that finish. But you can see as I scrub it, I mean, nothing comes off of this. We love how durable it is. It just dries so quickly when you throw water on there. So if you have it in your kitchen, especially if you're like me and you have kids, they spill food and grease and all kinds of other things on there. It's nice. You just take a cloth, you wipe it right up, and there you go. Good as new.